Okay guys, got a pool pump here. Don't want a pump. So there's an impeller in there. You can see it in there. And she's sporadically working. I don't know if I can turn it on without this thing jumping. We'll see. It might. Well, it sounds like hell. See it? We're gonna see if there's some junk in it or something. So, hang on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the pliers and we're just gonna stick them in here, but I can't do it with one hand, so stand by. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay, so what I did was I took the pliers, twisted them against. I wish I could have done this with two hands. I just decided to do this video. It's George handing me hints, by the way. Sorry, guys. I've been non-stop today. I'll show you why in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna open this thing up. Let me see if I can try and put this phone somewhere where you can at least kind of see what I'm doing here. Maybe. Will it let me do that? Probably not. Of course it won't. All right, dudes, guys, ladies, sorry. Maybe I can do it like this. The wind don't get me too bad. Yep. All right. Gotta open it. I gotta open it up. I gotta pause. Sorry. Okay, guys. So I just pulled it out. I'll show you where I pulled it out from. I think what happened here. There's like a notch. Jeez, here we go. All right, hang on there, guys. Let me try and put this down and put this in front of the camera. There we go. Okay. Cobwebs everywhere back here. Okay, so this part here sits into the other part of the main housing of the fan. It's a magnet. It works by magnet. That's why it's waterproof. Okay, and what was going on was it looked like this was just sitting in here, loose. But there's a notch right there. My thumbnail is, okay? And it goes onto this nodule there. So it fits on there a little tighter. So I'm going to push that back on. I think that's what it was. Something must have got caught on it and pressed it out. See if I can get it on there on camera for a change. Try my best here. I don't know why it doesn't want to go on. Because I'm on camera, that's why. Okay, we'll get it. Hey. Don't ask me why it ain't going on there, but it ain't. Huh. Alright, hang on. Stand by. Okay, side, there it goes. Wow. There it goes. Okay. I don't know why it was giving me a hard time, but I got it. So you're just gonna wiggle it in there nice and easy. I don't know. It's an exact fit, but don't ask me how it got out of there. Still, now I don't want to go back in again. This is incredible. There it goes. Okay. It's actually it is a real tight fit. So just take this and you push this down. Yeah. Creepy crawlers all over me now. It's 70 degrees here today. It's unbelievable. Okay, I don't know why it's fighting me, but trust me, guys, it went in. Just took it out. It's unbelievable. All right, let's see what's going on. Why is this fitting on here? I see why. You got to press it down. All right, so you got to line it up, push it in like that, and then shove it on. There you go. Okay, then this is going to drop down into this housing. Okay, and there's a looks like a little drive shaft down there, basically. Let's see if I can get that out of here, or at least go over it. And that goes to. Oh boy. Okay. So this pin goes through the hole of this. Okay, so I'm going to try and do that on camera. And you know the story, what's going to happen there, right? I'm going to try though. I'm close. Maybe. Maybe not. I guess not. Okay, well, it's going to be a two-hand operation, I guess. Yep, okay. I'll pause, but that's what I'm doing, sliding that over. Okay, so there's a pin that this sits on. I call it a drive shaft, so it's basically just a pin. And it looks like it snapped in half on me. So, there's two pieces. See it? So, I'm probably either going to have to glue it or dump the pump. Probably dump the pump, but I'm going to put it together, see if I can get it to work, at least do the rest of this job I got to do here. All right, guys, and either gluing that together, which might work, actually. But we'll see. All right, hang on. Well, guys, it's running. How good, we'll find out. Sounds terrible. But it's the shaft that's screwed up, so. Anyway, hang on. I know it's petty, but might as well film it, right? Hey, guys, I'm back. Actually, I've been kicking this on and off, and it's getting better and better. I'm wondering if there's something clogged in this hose. That's happened to me before, too. Let me see if I can do it. I can't operate it. Well, I can't operate it, actually. It's a it's remote control through my phone, so, but each time I shut it off and turn it back on, I'm going to disconnect this hose, put it to the faucet, the spigot outside, see what we get. And if this thing's flowing like this and it's just clogged up, wouldn't that be something, huh? I wish I could actually video this and work this at the same time, but well, I guess I could. Hang tight. I mean, you saw what that looked like. Let's see. I'm going to shut it off. You can hear the suction coming back too when you do it. And I had this little device here. Got this on Amazon. Get everything almost on Amazon. It's remote control to the phone, but you can do it manually too. And it's made for the outside. And I'm going to wait a couple minutes. And we'll put that back on again. It's just there's pine needles everywhere here. That's another story. But, okay, so let's see. Put it back on. Okay. Let's see what we get here. If not, we'll drag that hose. Yeah, it actually is getting a little better. I wonder if there's junk in here. All right, guys, I'm going to disconnect it and be back. Hey, guys, all right, so I hooked this thing up, and it was, where the hell is it? I just lost it. There's a bunch of pine needles in here. You know, it's kind of hard to see, the brown stuff, though. And now she's flowing good, so I'm going to hook it back up to the pump. We'll see. And that'd be crazy, huh? Well, the other thing was messed up anyway, so that's how probably all the pine needles got jammed up. All right, pause the video, undo the hose. LOL, it's a goner. Forget it. It's trickling out of there. It's pumping, but it's just junk. All right, guys, well, don't even know if we're going to print this one. But it's George, Handyman Hints, and I don't think I'm going to go through gluing anything down. That's for sure. Because this is ridiculous. Terrible. All right, guys, I did want to show you this, though. I didn't plan on making this video, but this maximum part finally came. I had to go through a different guy, but I got it. It's a right one. I just put some rust inhibitor in it. But look at the shape of this thing. It's beautiful. It's like brand new. I mean, all I did was put a clear coat on it. I didn't even paint it. That's what happens when you get stuff from down south. You don't have this cruddy rust up here. Yep, so put a little inhibitor. I'm waiting for that to dry. I'm going to put it back in the house. I'm going to work on it tomorrow. I changed the oil in this baby, and it looks like I do rear brakes in that. I'll probably do a video of that. And then you're back to this thing. I mean, look at the rust on this thing. I don't even know if you guys could see it too well, but it is just disgusting. It's a shame, you know. Anyway, this is George, Handyman Hints, signing off. And I guess I'm ordering a new pump. All right, guys. Please like and subscribe. I know that was not my best video ever, that's for sure. But I wanted to see what's wrong with it. You know, if you ever had to take one apart. Well, basically it runs by a magnet. So what you do is you, usually it sits on that pin. And when it sits on the pin, it just spins in that slot. And the motor, the magnet gets pulled around the armature, and that's how it's waterproof. That's how they do it. So it actually goes through, the magnet works through the plastic. And I didn't have this pump that long either, so I ain't gonna go crazy next time. I'm just gonna buy a cheapie, because I spent a decent buck for this one, and if they're gonna just go like this, I might as well just buy cheap ones, right? I guess. I don't know. All right, guys. Always a pleasure. George, Handyman Hints. And I'm better off siphoning it by hand. All right, guys. Have a good one. See you on the next one.